Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is 123rd death anniversary of Birsa Munda. Nation pays homage to legendary tribal leader Birsa Munda on his 123rd death anniversary, which is being observed on June 9. He is known for uniting tribals and mobilizing them to fight for their rights over Jal Jangal Zameen during colonial rule. His birth anniversary is celebrated on 15th November. It is recognized as Tribal Pride Day. Now, information about Birsa Munda. He is known for organizing Ulghulan, great revolt against the colonial power and exploitative Diku's outsiders in 1899 to 1900. In the revolt, tribals of central and eastern India waged an effective armed resistance against the British exploitative agrarian policy with traditional bows and arrows. He led the movement while claiming himself to be the representative of God. Birsa Munda fought his last battle against British in Dombari Muru 1899. Birsa Munda was captured and lodged in jail at the age of 25. He died in captivity on June 9, 1900. British took the tribal plight into the consideration and later passed Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act of 1908, which prevent transfer of tribal land to non-tribal land.